Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Cordless Soldering Iron Station Review. Number 4. The Sugan 55G Cordless Soldering Iron is a lightweight, portable soldering tool featuring a 250 mAh magnetic rechargeable battery. Designed for convenience, it offers rapid heating, precise temperature control, and ergonomic handling. Ideal for electronic repairs, perfect for professionals and hobbyists working on the go. Number 3. The STM32V3T12, a cordless soldering station, is designed for compatibility with Dewalt, Makita, Milwaukee, and Devon Li-ion batteries, 18-20V max. This portable soldering iron ensures efficient and precise DIY repairs, featuring advanced temperature control, quick heating, and user-friendly operation. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals needing flexibility and performance. Number 2. Description: MINIWARE 853D Soldering Station 15V2, a USB power supply, 3-in-1 hot air gun solder iron repair soldering station, BGA Rework station. 1. Before shipment, we will check your address. If your address belongs to the remote area, we will get in touch with you. 2. Our goods are not included in the price of customs duties and remote delivery costs. 3. If you need an invoice, please leave me a message and leave your email address. I will be sent to your mailbox within 8 hours. Number 1. The TS1C MINIWARE Cordless Soldering Station offers 45W of power with advanced Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, providing precise control for soldering tasks. Its high-efficiency super capacitor ensures quick recharges and seamless operation. Compact and portable, it's perfect for SMD rework and repairs, delivering professional-grade performance for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.